The first one is infrastructure and supply chain. So, if you have heard about supply chain attack, kapatid na muna wala ta. Do you know that when you buy a brand new phone right now, fresh from the carton, may naka-embed na malware? Do you know the brand? I won't tell you because bakit may mag-attack sa cybersecurity space. But there is actually a lot. Okay? Second, na supply chain attack, nakita niyo yung common na power bank mo na ginatakot sa modem sa internet. Kita niyo lang gina-post sa Shopee, sa Lazada, and it's probably like around 1,000 pesos. And believe me, that if you use this, maprolong niya ang internet usage mo kung mag-round up to 8 hours. Familiar? Do you know that kung pabakan mo na, kung mahilig ka mag-respect, ang unod